The washing machine is not your friend. It only pretends to be. This is Jasper Fiddlewig. He began with a pair. He followed the rules, correct temperature, correct style, and yet one sock is gone. Not damaged, not misplaced. No. Gone. This is not an accident. This is a pattern. No household escapes. No explanation is given. How can a sock just disappear? But it has. The machine has taken one. As tribute. Just to make me more miserable. Wonderful. I've lost my sock.
I'm not interested in your silly problems.
But it's not all that bad. At least there is one biscuit left. Marvelous, how wonderful and... Oh well, so much for that. This has been Jasper Fiddlewig. He no longer asks questions.